As well as using online services such as online banking, shopping and social media, we can also experience art and culture from around the world online without ever leaving the house. Here are some amazing things the online world has to offer. Many art galleries have improved their online presence and offer an experience to those who may not be able to visit. You can view high quality photos of many exhibitions and paintings. See what museums in New York, London, Paris or Munich are offering. Many theatres such as the Royal Shakespeare Company and the National Theatre offer both recordings and live broadcasts of productions online. You can see opera, musicals, drama, comedies and even ballet. There are even Netflix type websites that offer subscription based services, so for a monthly fee you can watch a vast library of world class productions. You're probably aware that you can watch films online via services such as Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. But did you know you can also see more niche films and also attend film festivals online? So you can see the most recent art house films, foreign films, award-winning short films and creative animations. You can also virtually travel the world from your living room using services such as Google Earth. You can explore nearly everywhere in the world. Perhaps have a look around Central Park in New York, or even explore the Great Wall of China. There are even games such as GeoGuessr that place you in a random location and your objective, using visual clues such as billboards, street signs and road layouts, is to work out where in the world you are. For example, where are we right now? Comment below with your guess. The more comfortable you are using the internet safely, the more capable you are to discover the variety of amazing things like these you can do online. If you want to learn more about how to use the internet safely and mastering your digital skills, take a look at our range of courses that we provide. We also offer more helpful video guides like this, right here on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to be kept updated. Please like and share this video and comment below what you found helpful, what you want to see next, and of course your guesses for our game. Thank you for supporting Connect.